Right, Jack, 41 last time I marked a calculated paper for you. So let's see how, or if you've improved. Hopefully you have. That's correct and that's correct. So 5 marks there. Good, good, good. 4 marks there and 4 marks there. Full marks for the first page. Good stuff. 13. Great start. That's nicely symmetrical and you've used a pencil. That's correct and that's correct, as is that and that. Full marks again. Well done. That's correct, that's correct, that's correct. 7. 2 meters is a bit high. It'll be within the limits of what they'll accept, so I'll accept that. But what you've then done isn't right. You have worked out 0.6 is the height of the car, and you have worked out or found the height in centimeters. But what you then have to do is see how many times the car fits into that. So the sum you would do is 7.7 divided by 0.6. That's what you would multiply your answer by. Or you could just do it on the page. If you just measure, get a bit of paper or something, so the bottom of that strip of paper is there, so that's the height of one car, and then check it off on your picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, say 11, so it would be about 11 times 2, 22. Okay, and those little marks I see there, that would tell me as the examiner what method you're using too. So you'd only get the 1 mark there for your estimate, and like I said, that's a bit high. Normally if you stand next to a car, the roof is up to your chin maybe, or up to your chest, so it would be probably 1.5 would be a better estimate. Total for the page, 8. Good, 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 good. Good, good. Good, good. 9 for the page. That's excellent. 12, 4 is correct. 16, 16 is correct. This one, that's a 0 because you're not moving at all in the x-axis. You're just going vertically, so it's 0, 8. 5 out of 6 for that. That is correct. 2 marks. Watch how I do these. 103 is not right. It's not far off, but you haven't shown me any method of where that 103's come from. Now you could have done it by marking on here. Just look at what we got in this column. This is saying there are 14 patients who each had 2 visitors. So there are 28 visitors there. So you would do that times that is 28. That times that times that, and then you would add all of those together. Now I think you've done that, and you maybe made a mistake with your multiplying. But because you haven't written anything, I can't give you the marks. So 7 for the page. That's correct, that's correct. Pie charts, watch how I do it. It's easy marks, so you need to practice that, but maybe it's because you haven't got a protractor, in which case buy one soon. 3.35 is correct, 3 marks. 2380 is correct. But then you need to do a lot of work with it. So watch how I do that on the video clip. Go on to Jones the Sums. In the topics, utility bills. Practice. 3 marks to the page. 0.13 is correct. Blue and yellow is correct. 0.61 is correct. 1584 is part of the answer. Calculate the increased price. What you've worked out there is how much it's going up by. So to answer the question, you need to add those two together. 8.1 is correct. 2, 4, 6, 9 for the page. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. So nothing for that page. These two you should be able to do fairly easily. Just watch how I do them on the video clip. This is products of prime factors. Have a look at that on the topic page on the Jones the Sums site and practice it you learn that method quickly and easily. Okay then, Jack, total for the paper 13. 13, 24, 32, 32, 41, 48, 48, 52, 55, 64. 64, that's really good. That's a big improvement. It's not a C quite. You're 6 marks from a C there. But if you go back into that paper and look at some of the questions that you've left out, if you watch me do them, go and practice them on the site, and I'm sure you'll pick up some more marks there without too much hassle. Good, impressed with that. Well done, Jack.